this isn't just a motorhome upgrade, it's a full-blown lifestyle elevation. Welcome back to YYD Motor Zone, the channel where we explore the world's most extraordinary vehicles. Today, we're taking things to the next level with the 2026 Scania Mega Deck Motorhome, a rolling luxury residence built on one of the most respected heavy-duty platforms in the world. In this full review, we'll cover everything: the design, interior experience, powertrain and performance, onboard technology, safety systems, estimated pricing, ownership costs, standout advantages, and finally, whether this ultra-luxury motorhome is the right fit for you. Stick around, because this isn't just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle statement on wheels. From the outside, the 2026 Scania Mega Deck Motorhome immediately commands attention. Its presence feels like a high-end European coach fused with a futuristic luxury yacht. With a towering double-deck profile, ultra-clean body lines, flush-mounted panels, dark panoramic windows, and an aerodynamic silhouette, it balances elegance with function. Up front, the bold Scania fascia features LED matrix headlights, an aggressive grille, and a commanding driving position, giving both visibility and road authority. A long wheelbase, triple-axle configuration, and premium paint finishes make one thing clear: this motorhome is meant to stand out, not blend in, whether on highways, at RV resorts, or private motorcoach events across the United States. Step inside, and the Mega Deck transforms into a serene, ultra-luxurious living space. The main lounge feels more like a modern penthouse than a vehicle, with plush wraparound seating, premium leather upholstery, ambient LED lighting, integrated entertainment systems, large smart TVs, and floor-to-ceiling windows that flood the space with natural light. The kitchen is fully residential grade, equipped with an induction cooktop, high-end built-in oven, microwave, oversized fridge, soft close cabinets, stone countertops, and abundant storage. The bedroom offers a hotel-level sleeping experience with a king-size bed, premium mattress, padded wall panels, overhead storage, blackout blinds, and a calming lighting design. Even the bathroom isn't an afterthought. It features a full-size walk-in shower, modern toilet system, elegant vanities, large mirrors, and hotel-style fixtures. Every detail is finished to a level that rivals upscale apartments, making this interior not just ideal for short trips, but fully livable for longer or full-time motorhome life. Luxury is impressive,